Hello, and welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Loveness Moyo, and I will be your course preceptor for the course Operations Management, OM.
Operations Management, OM, is the core discipline responsible for designing, overseeing, and controlling the processes that transform inputs, such as materials, labor, and technology, into valuable goods and services. It is the engine that drives efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction in organizations across all industries: manufacturing, services, healthcare, retail, logistics, and more. This course offers an in-depth exploration of the fundamental principles, techniques, and best practices of operations management, providing you with the strategic and tactical skills needed to optimize resources, improve productivity, and create sustainable competitive advantage. Why operations management matters. In today's hyper-competitive and rapidly changing global market, effective operations management is the key to delivering value at the right cost, time, and quality. It encompasses every activity from product design, capacity planning, process selection, supply chain management, inventory control, quality management, and continuous improvement, ensuring that organizations meet customer demands efficiently and responsively. Course objectives. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand the strategic role of operations management in achieving business objectives, analyze and design efficient processes that optimize resource utilization, apply quantitative and qualitative tools to plan, schedule, and control production and services, manage supply chains effectively to ensure seamless flow of materials and information, implement quality management systems and continuous improvement methodologies, make data-driven decisions that balance cost, quality, flexibility, and speed, adapt operation strategies to emerging trends such as digital transformation, sustainability, and globalization. Strategic importance of operations management. Operations management is no longer just a back-office function. It is a strategic driver of growth, innovation, and competitive differentiation. Organizations that master OM can deliver superior value to customers, minimize costs without sacrificing quality, respond rapidly to market changes, foster sustainable and socially responsible practices. This course empowers you to become proactive leaders who can transform operational challenges into opportunities for excellence and long-term success. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.